Assalamu alaikum Huawei members, hope you all are fine. I'm making this video tutorial regarding digital balance, screen balance. We'll go to settings. Basically this tutorial shows that how we can restrict our mobile usage. So we'll start it by going to digital balance and pressing start. We have two options basically. If you are restricting your own usage, so you can select me, but if you are giving your phone to your child or for educational purpose or entertainment purpose, so you can select this my child, you can select parental controls. But now I'm selecting me and pressing OK. So here you can see your screen time. In last 24 hours I have used my phone 4 hours and 58 minutes. I know this is so much time. That is why this feature is really interesting, and you can restrict your time by applying screen limit. So there is our statistics. Here are some apps which I've used frequently in last 24 hours. You can see WhatsApp is used almost 1 hour and 49 minutes. YouTube is used 53 minutes, and so on. And here's the unlocks frequency, which means I have total 47 unlocks today. Basically every 28 minutes I have unlocked my phone. You can see your statistics by pressing here, and you can see your last 7 days activities by pressing on last 7 days. It is really shocking that I have unlocked 342 times in last 7 days. So that is our statistics. So now we'll see how we can limit our daily screen time. We'll select the daily screen timer from here. You can select on your own choice, that maybe 6 hours, 5 hours, whichever you want. I'm selecting 6 hours, and you can repeat this for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whichever day you want to repeat these timings or settings, and pressing OK. And rest of days, just like Saturdays and Sundays, you want to use your phone little bit more, and you can choose different times from here. Or if you want to give your family much more time on Saturdays and Sundays, you can restrict even more by reducing your screen time, uh, like 3 hours, and pressing OK. We are going back, and now we'll see how we can apply restrictions on individual applications. Just like I've shown you that I'm using WhatsApp so much, so I can restrict my usage of WhatsApp just by tapping WhatsApp on search bar and selecting WhatsApp. And look, here it is, and the timer limit usage of 30 minutes initially, but if I want to select it for 1 hour, we can choose it for 1 hour from here and pressing OK. Just like this, we can limit our Facebook usage. I'm taking it for 30 minutes and pressing OK. You can select any application you want to restrict. It will really help us that we can restrict ourselves by applying this limit. If you like it, you can give a thumbs up to this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.